In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews to Shopify store Judgeme, easy version. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, open the Apps section. In the Search or App Finder, begin typing to bring up the app you need. Shopify will highlight matches as you type. If you see multiple categories across the top, make sure you're viewing the app's results, then use the search again so you're looking at the correct list. In the results, look for Judgeme product reviews. A quick way to confirm you've got the right one is to check its rating. You should see a strong 5.0 score. Click the rating or the app name to open the full listing. Once you're there, choose Install to start adding it to your store. Shopify will prompt you to approve permissions. Click Install again to confirm. You'll land on the Judgeme onboarding. Click. Next, to move through the setup screens, reviewing any default settings like review requests or widget placement as you go. When you're prompted to enable the app in your theme, select Enable App Embed. This opens the theme editor with Judgeme's embed option visible. Toggle it on, then click Save in the top right to apply the change. Head back to the onboarding flow and click Next to continue. Next, the guide will help you add star ratings to your product pages and collections. Click Install Star Ratings when prompted. If it doesn't succeed immediately, click Try again. If you see a small message that says the installation failed, click it to retry. This can happen if the editor is still loading or your theme needs a moment. Just retry until it completes. Continue with Next through the remaining prompts. If you encounter an optional configuration you're not ready to set up now, choose Skip Step, then proceed with Next to finish the onboarding. That's perfectly fine. You can come back to customize details later inside the Judgeme app. Once you're done, your store will have the review widget on product pages and star ratings where supported by your theme. If you don't see changes right away, refresh your storefront or check that the theme you saved is the one currently live. For best results, keep your browser's cache in mind and preview a product that already has at least one review, or plan to collect your first review to see the widget in action. You can fine-tune the widget's style, texts, and request emails from the Judgeme dashboard anytime. That's it. You've installed Judgeme, enabled the app embed, added star ratings, retried when needed, skipped anything optional, and completed the onboarding with confidence.